Even with the biting cold, hundreds still made their way to Savage Arena to honor Martin Luther King Jr. WTOL's Emma Henderson is live there with a ceremony. Hello, Emma.
Hi, Dan. It was a celebration with song and dance and speeches. Young and old from all over Toledo came here to celebrate Martin Luther King's life and his messages. Parents sat for the service with their young children and swayed to gospel music performed by a local choir. For one mother, it was important for her young daughter to know who Martin Luther King Jr. is and how he has already impacted her life.
It is very important because she's a little black girl, and it's very important for her to know, her history, and for her to be able to accept other people of other races.
As you can see, the ceremony here is done, but now they're all gathering together for a community luncheon right upstairs. Reporting live in West Toledo, Emma Henderson, WTOL 11.